Hello everyone, greetings to you all. I greet you according to where you are watching from and when you will come across this video. I get video when I want to show now. Watch this video that I want to play. And you leave your comment on the comment section below. What do you see from this video? Whether you see truth for this video or how does it look like? What do you see there? What do you think say it be the meaning of that thing when you see, when you want watch so? Watch on. And you leave your comments on the comment section below. I beg, subscribe to our channel and follow our page. Bye bye. Now black bear. Black bear. My window we window na. Emi ke mi window we wana. Oga mi no ma yare. Ahia oga manu. Oga mi down yare. Akwira kwiri mo ya mo. Oga bazi yo mo kwegbe. Anya me ne hui. Udori ro yo mi window. Ma ke no kere. Ima mi yare. Oga mi yesu yare oga manu. Oga mi down yare. Emi danu yare wo hia ya mo. Wo hia ya mo. Akwira yin mo. Oga bazi yo mo kwegbe. No kola yan bobalo. No kola yan bobalo. E kere no hinri aje. If not the Jew. A Jew no rare in window. We don't let person see it proper. Now bear just come stand for my window for upstairs here. I say me I come take stock is where. Now I might see say bear there. I don't bring another phone to record down. I go downstairs. I see say e not clear. Before I come, the bear still dey here. The bear not come out. Yeah. Oga mi osu yare. Oga manu. Oga mi don yare. Nwa ya mu nwa mu. Runda wa koraga kwiri onwe mo ga bazi yo mu kwegbe. Emi ke mi nu yare ori no ho ya fe nwa ya mu. Ya mi na. Yeah. Me I open window. Whether you go let me. Make I open window. See am there. Make I open window. Yeah, Otimpa. He don't fly comot. He don't fly comot. Now here he just dey. See, I even shit. He even shit put for you. See. Black bear, he shit put for you. Did you guys just see that bear? Did you guys? You see that bird that flies off? You see the bird that flies away? The Lord is our strength. The Lord is our strength. If you think say person dey carry dey call say which day, evil people dey, evil person dey, bad person dey, you say the person too talk. Now you be say you yourself you be witch. You be witch. This kind bear came to that same place 2016. That bear, did it come? He come to come feast or to come for good thing? No, for bad thing. You understand? Then he came back. This very moment, I recorded that video you just watched. You watched that video. You see it. You see, say this life wey we dey so. E no balance. E no balance. May God help us. He that is in us is greater than he that is in the world. Thank you for watching. Share the video to some people. Make them see am. Na Italy I dey, Napoli abroad. This one no be village, say na village I dey. So if you think say you don dey America, you dey here. Those rich people, they know they reach where you dey. Dem dey. But na God, na him dey set us free from their hand. Na God dey protect us na God dey guide us. You see am? Nowhere, don't think say you dey do something, anything wey you dey do na secret, dem no know. Who tell you? Who tell you say dem no know? Anyway, I no talk too much. If you never watch the video well well, you go replay am, you go check, you go watch am well well. Thank you. Subscribe to our channel for more different video. We are reality. We do things reality, lifestyle. Anything that concerns us is what we are bringing in here. Bye bye. One love.